Hello friends, I know you all are aware about today's topic because of thumbnail. It's about multiplication more than single digit in seconds. That is earlier than the classical method. There are numerous ways to do this, but the one I find most easy is that I'm going to share with you. I know it's time taking to multiply the numbers of more than one digit number. Therefore, here the solution that can help you to save your time and speeds up your calculation. Hope you all would find this video useful and helpful. Do watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon to get the notification as we post. As we discussed in the last video that I will bring the next video on the multiplication. So here it is. Just what we have to do right now is to put the pen and notebook in front of you. It's the mathematics and we can't learn it by only listening. So I request you to follow the given steps by yourself in your notebook. That helps you to understand more faster. If you listen and apply afterwards, then you might forget or might you will do with wrong method and then you will not able to get right answer. Share this method with your peers or friends or share our video with them so that they can also learn some new and short ways to solve the time-taking short calculations. Let's have an example. If we want to multiply 27 with 5, we say it's so simple. We can write the answer without much hard task because of the tables which we remember due to the hard learning process of our primary classes. What we will do by steps, we multiply 5 with 7, that gives us 35. Then we will write 5 on the ones place and take 3 as a borrow. Then we multiply 5 with 2 and it gives us 10, which we have to add with 3 to give us 13. Then we write 13 before 5. That gives us 135 as an answer. Hence we get the answer. Let's have one more example. This is also an easy one. You will still not find any difficulty in finding this. And even you can calculate it in your highest speed. Some of the viewers even also remember the answer of this question. To find the answer using classical method, what we always do, we multiply the above line with the bottom line's ones digit number, like we multiply in the previous example. So here, that ones digit is 3. So we multiply 3 with 2 to give us 6. And then multiply 3 with 1 to get 3. Hence we get 36. Now put cross under 6 and then multiply 1 with above line. That gives you 12. That you have to write preceding cross. Now moving to the next step, we have to just add both lines. So we add 6 with nothing, that gives us 6. Now add 2 with 3, that gives us 5. And after that write 1 preceding 56. Hence we get 156, that is 156 as an answer. Now you might wonder that I have discussed everything that you already know. Nothing new. But wait, do not exit the video in between. The treasure for which you subscribed us or watching our video is going to come in some seconds. So do not go anywhere and be ready with your pen and notebook. If still you hadn't take out your notebook and pen, then for whom you are waiting? Pause the video right now, get them and follow the steps going to be shared in this video. In the learning process, we have to begin from beginning to make the rhythm of the student. Once she or he gets stable with the topic, then the time comes to push her or him towards more difficulty level. But here in this video, we are going from hard level to easy level, so you do not have to worry. Just practice more, you will understand more. There is only 1 month for mathematics. The much you practice, the more you understand. The more you understand, the more you find it easy. Once more, the much you practice, the more you understand. The more you understand, the more you find it easy. So here, we have an example of 15 multiplied with 24. We have to solve by new steps. Let's multiply 4 with 5 in rough work. That gives us 20. So we write 0 in one's place. Now we multiply 4 with 1. That gives 4. Similarly, we multiply 2 with 5. That gives us 10. And we have 2 from earlier result. So we add these 3 results, that is 2 plus 4 plus 10, that gives us 16. So we write 6 in the 10th place. Now we multiply 2 with 1. That gives us 2. Add this result with previous one, that is add 1 with 2, that gives us 3. Hence write 3 in 100th place. So we get the answer, that is 360. Some of you might wonder how this all done with some less efforts. Even now, I also request, do not forget to write down what I am delivering, because that's the only thing that helps you in understanding this concept more easily and perfectly. Here we have 3 steps. Step 1. We have to multiply both ones digit number and then write the result at ones place by only writing its ones number and take all numbers as carry forward. In step 2, we have multiplied in a cross manner as shown in the figure. That is from bottom left to upper right and from right of bottom to upper left. I repeat, from bottom left to upper right and from bottom right to upper left. That gives you 2 answers. Add them, and if you have left with any number from step 1, then also add that number. You get a new number of which only one digit is to be right in the 10th place of the answer. Now in the step 3, repeat what you had done for the step 1, but this time for right side, that is 10th place number. You get an answer by multiplying both of them. Then add if you have left with any number from the previous step. Write whole answer as it is in the answer section like we had done in the last example. Let's have one more example. So here we have 23 multiplied with 68. So we will multiply 8 with 3, that gives us 24. Now we have to write 4 on the ones place of the answer and left 2 in the rough work itself. Now using cross method, we will multiply 6 with 3, that gives us 18, and now multiply 8 with 2, that gives us 16. here we have to add 2 that left in the earlier answer with 18 and with 16. That means 2 plus 18 plus 16, that gives us 36. Now write 6 on the 100th place of the answer and left 3 in the rough work as it is. Now proceeding to step 3, we will multiply 6 with 2, that gives us 12, and 12 add 12 with 3 that left earlier. It provides you a number 15. Then write 15 in the answer. Here you get the answer, that is 1564. So I think today we have to stop here, as it seems that it is touching 10 minutes. And I think you people are also busy with your other chores and stuff. Thank you for being with us, and thanks for your extraordinary support and love. Do subscribe our channel if you are new, and remember that the second part of this video will be out on next Sunday. So tune with us. We will definitely help you in making your calculations faster like calculator. At last, as always, here is a small work which you have to do. Do it yourself. Thanks.